This video will show you how to use your Accu Chek guide meter to do more than simply check your blood sugar. You can customize your target ranges, add comments, and review your blood glucose data, all to help you stay on track. Let's start by getting familiar with the meter. The main controls are all on the front, near the big, bright display. You'll use the back button to return to the previous view, up and down arrows to navigate options, and the OK button is used for selecting or confirming your choices and to power the meter on and off. If you need to change the time and date, from the main menu, choose Settings and press OK. Then Time and Date followed by OK. Use the up and down arrows and the OK button to select the current time and date. A beeper can prompt you when a test strip is inserted, when enough blood has been applied, when buttons are pressed, or when an error occurs. Go to Settings to turn this on or off. Remember to always press OK to confirm your selection. The Accu Chek guide meter contains additional features designed to help you better self-manage your diabetes. For example, you can set your blood glucose target ranges. This feature can help you differentiate between in or out of range results. Let's customize target ranges. From Settings, select More Options and press OK, then highlight Target Ranges and press OK. You can select single range or two ranges. The two ranges setting allows you to set a target for results both before and after a meal. The preset range for before a meal is 3.9 to 6.1 millimoles per liter. The preset range for after a meal is 3.9 to 8.9 millimoles per liter. Use the up and down arrows and the OK button to change the range to reflect your healthcare professional's recommendation, and press OK to save each change. With your Accu Chek guide meter, you can also add comments, which can provide valuable perspective when you review your blood glucose over time. Anytime you test, you can immediately add a comment such as before meal, after meal, fasting, bedtime, or other. Simply press OK to add a comment, then use the arrows to highlight your preference, then press OK again. This Accu Chek guide meter also has several ways to view your blood glucose data. Under the My Data option, you'll find several helpful ways to review past results and averages. Within the Logbook feature, you can scroll through results. Press OK on any result to view more detail. If you've been adding comments to your results, you can choose averages to see your levels at certain times of day. You can always view overall averages for a period of days or weeks. Once you have target ranges turned on, choose the target percentage to understand how often you are within your ranges. These percentages may be viewed by comment type or overall for a period of days or weeks. You can also view test results that were below or above your target ranges by opening the Low-High Data feature. Perhaps most exciting, the Accu Chek guide meter can analyze patterns based on the last 7 days of test results. The Patterns feature is able to detect high or low patterns in blood glucose levels related to specific meals, bedtime, or fasting results. Patterns must be turned on in order to enable this feature. Target ranges must be set up. And you have to be sure to add comments to your test results, as we described earlier. If the system identifies a pattern over the past 7 days, it will display a message. A low pattern message will appear if 2 or more results with the same comment are below the target range. A high pattern message means 3 or more results with the same comment have been above target. You can always see whether you have any current patterns detected from the main menu. Plus, there are many more tools and features available in the Accu Chek Connect mobile app and the Accu Chek Connect online system, which you can use with the Accu Chek guide meter. You'll find more information in the user's manual that came with your meter. If you still have any questions, please visit Accu-check.ca. Thanks again for choosing the Accu Chek Guide Blood Glucose Meter.